So after foldables from Samsung, Huawei, Motorola and even Xiaomi, it is time for Oppo to launch its first foldable phone. This phone is named the Oppo Find N and the company has officially announced that it is launching this phone on the 15th of this month. So we still have almost a week left for the launch. In its official announcement on the website, Oppo did give us a look at the phone, but we only got to see the side profile of it. But on its YouTube channel as well as on social media handles, Oppo has posted a video that shows the design of Find N in even more detail. So as we can see, the Oppo Find N has a similar folding mechanism as other foldable phones in the market, such as the Z Fold 3 by Samsung or the Mate X2 by Huawei, where the main foldable display is on the inside and there is a secondary display on the outside. Now on the inside there is a hole punch cutout in the top left corner for the selfie camera, so this phone does not follow the same approach as the Z Fold 3 where there is an under display selfie camera. And just like every other company, this official video does not show any crease in the middle of the folding screen, but like every foldable phone out there, we think there is definitely a crease in the middle. One thing that is pretty sure about this phone is its compact form factor. So even though there is a wide foldable screen on the inside, the phone is not very big. Oppo says that the work on Find N started back in April of 2018 when the first prototype was made. The company also claims in its official announcement that it was able to solve the main issues with foldable phones, such as the crease in the display and the overall durability of the phone. It was done by inventing one of the best hinge and display designs available today. Well, every company that has launched a foldable phone makes such bold claims of having the most durable foldable phone or having the best hinge design, so in Oppo's case as well, we should definitely wait for the actual product to see if that is actually the case. Anyways, we do not know a lot about the specifications yet, but since it is company's first foldable phone, we are expecting high-end specifications. What do you think of the Oppo Find N? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.